Picture this, a creature that can survive the vacuum of outer space, another that shoots blood from its eyes like a horror movie, and a tiny shrimp with a punch so powerful it creates a shockwave hotter than the surface of the sun. These are not science fiction monsters, they are real animals living right here on Earth. Today, we are uncovering 10 of the most bizarre and jaw dropping animal adaptations that will leave you questioning the limits of nature. Trust me, you will want to stick around until number one because it's a superpower that scientists are still struggling to understand. Welcome to our channel where we explore the strongest, most fascinating sides of our natural world. In today's episode, we're going beyond the ordinary. No lions, no tigers, no bears. Instead, we'll look at the extraordinary abilities nature has gifted its creatures. Adaptations that allows them to thrive in the harshest, deadliest, and weirdest environment. So if you're ready to be amazed, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because trust me, you don't want to miss what is coming. At number 10, the Immortal Tardigrade, the ultimate survival. Meet the tardigrade, also called the water bear. It's not cute, it's not pretty, but it is almost unkillable. These microscopic creatures can survive boiling water, freezing temperature below minus 200 centigrade, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. How? Through a process called cryptobiosis. They shut down almost completely, drying out into a tiny husk and wait until conditions improve. In 2007, scientists actually launched tardigrades into space, and when they returned, many of them were still alive. Scientists believe tardigrades could even outland humanity, and maybe one day studying them will help us survive deep space travel. At number 9, it's horned lizard, the blood squirting eye trick. Imagine being chased by a predator. Most animals run, but horned lizard, it has a nastier trick. When threatened, this lizard can shoot a stream of blood straight from its eyes up to 5 feet. Even crazier, the blood contains chemicals that taste absolutely disgusting to predators like coyotes. This defense is so strange, even scientists were shocked when they first observed it. It's like nature gave the horned lizard its own built in pepper spray system. At number 8, the Antarctic Ice Fish, blood that does not freeze. Nor lights dive under the frozen oceans of Antarctica. Most animals cannot survive here, temperatures are below freezing. But the ice fish has a secret. Its blood contains antifreeze proteins that prevent deadly ice crystals from forming inside its body. Without this, the fish would literally freeze solid. What's even weirder, their blood is almost completely clear because it lacks hemoglobin, the molecule that makes our blood red. In other words, these fish are swimming around the transparent blood like real life icy ghosts of the sea. At number 7, the pistol shrimp, nature's underwater gun. Don't let its small size fool you. The pistol shrimp is one of the most powerful hunters in the ocean. With a strong snap of its claw, it creates a bubble that moves faster than a bullet. The bubble reaches temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun and produces a shock wave that can stun, kill, or even shatter the shells of prey. Divers say that snap is so loud it can be heard across entire coral reefs. Imagine a shrimp with the power of a sonic cannon. That's the pistol shrimp. At number 6 is the leafcutter ants, farming masters. Humans invented farming about 12,000 years ago. Leafcutter ants, they have been doing it for millions of years. These ants cut leaves not to eat them but to form a special fungus underground, their primary food source. Entire colonies, sometimes millions strong, work like a perfectly organized society. Scientists say their underground fungal farms are so advanced they are closer to human agriculture than anything else in the animal kingdom. Basically, ants were farming long before humans even existed. Number 5. The Axolotl, the regeneration king. Meet the axolotl, also called the walking fish. Unlike other salamanders, axolotls never grow up. They stay in their juvenile form their entire lives. But that's not what makes them special. Their true superpower is regeneration. Axolotls can regrow entire limbs, their spinal cords, part of their heart, and even part of their brain. Scientists are studying axolotls intensely. hoping to unlock secrets of regeneration for human medicine. Imagine a future where humans could regrow lost limbs thanks to axolotl that might one day be possible. Number 4. The Mantis Shrimp, Supervision and Super Punch. If the pistol shrimp is a gun, the Mantis Shrimp is a tank. First is eyes. Mantis shrimp have 16 types of color receptors compared to our 3. They can see ultraviolet, polarized light, and colors we cannot even imagine. Second, it's punch. Mantis shrimp strikes with the speed of a bullet, strong enough to break aquarium glass. Scientists once measured the force. It's like getting hit by a small caliber gun. Imagine if Superman had X-ray vision and a knockout punch. That's the Mantis shrimp. Number 3. The camel, the desert survival machine. Everyone knows camels survive in the desert, but their adaptations are on another level. Their humps does not store water, they store fat which they use for energy. Their red blood cells are oval shaped which helps them flow smoothly even when the camel is dehydrated. A thirsty camel can drink 40 gallons of water in just 15 minutes and then go weeks without drinking again. Their nostrils even trap moisture, recycling water every time they breathe out. Nature's ultimate desert survival vehicle. Number 2. The octopus, the Houdini of the ocean. Octopuses are arguably the smartest invertebrates alive. They have 9 brains, 3 hearts, and blue blood. Their skin can change colors and textures instantly, helping them blend into rocks, coral, or sand. But it does not stop there. Octopuses have been filmed unscrewing jar lids, opening locks, and even escaping aquariums. With intelligence, flexibility, and camouflage, the octopus is nature's master escape artist. Number 1. The wood frog, frozen solid and still alive. Finally, number 1. The wood frog of North America. When winter arrives, this frog does the unthinkable. It freezes solid, its heart stops, its blood literally turns to ice. For months, it is a frozen block, a frog. But when spring arrives, it thaws out and hops away like nothing happened. Scientists believe the frog produces special chemicals that protect its cells from damage. This adaptation could revolutionize medicine. Imagine preserving human organs for transplant the same way. The wood frog is not just fascinating, it could hold the key of saving lives. And there you have it, of the most mind-blowing animals adaptations in the world, from lizards that squirt blood from their eyes to frogs that freeze and come back to life. Nature proves once again that reality is stronger than the fiction. Which adaptation amazed you the most? Personally, I can't go over the wood frog, nature's real life cryogenic experiment. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. And if you love this deep dive into wonders of the animal kingdom, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next journey into the wild. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed, and never stop exploring.